It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Acadia Denali. Let's start by taking a look inside the front of the Denali. On the driver's door, power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, power folding mirrors. We've got the programmable memory seat, auto express windows, the child lock button, and the power liftgate button. This Denali comes with a premium Bose sound system, as well as the all-weather floor mats. Here we have the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, a leather interior, Denali badging in both headrests, power sunroof up above. To the left of the steering wheel, we've got the park brake, the heads-up display button. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. On the left side are the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and that heated steering wheel button. On the right side, we've got the audio buttons. Here we have the digital dash. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, and OnStar. This is our rear view mirror camera. You're able to change your view back to normal by flicking the switch at the bottom of the screen. Here we have GMC's Infotainment Center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also got the touch screen and navigation. And it doubles as our backup camera. We're able to change the camera view by simply pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, park reverse drive, some USB and power plug-ins, the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. Heated and cooled front leather seats, lane departure alert, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, sport mode, off-road mode. Then just above the cup holders, we've got auto stop start, traction control, and park assist. At the front of the Denali, we've got that unique Denali grille. Embedded in the grille is our front camera, fog lights, 20-inch aluminum wheels, a 3.6-liter V6 engine under the hood. Side mirrors have side blind zone alert, as well as the turn signal indicator. Roof rails up top, rear tinted windows. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. At the back, we've got the rear window wiper and washer, as well as the power liftgate. To open up that liftgate, I'm going to click this button here twice, and we're going to pop that liftgate right open. In the trunk, we've got some cargo hooks, power plug-ins, the tethers to fold that third row seating down, and a storage compartment located down below. Last, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 6-passenger crossover. The passenger door has got power windows, cup holders, and storage compartments. The backs of both front seats have got seat pockets. We've got a rear sunroof. On the back of the center console are the heated rear seat buttons, the climate control buttons, and we've also got a 120-volt power plug-in and some USB plug-ins. To gain access to that third row, we can take the center aisle or pull the levers located on the sides of the seats. In the back, we've got 2 additional seats, as well as some cup holders and USB plug-ins on either side. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Acadia Denali today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.